Hey guys, we really had a nice morning.
The budding team,
It
there
was
they
at
are.
Diani,
Wow.
just living in the morning, going to our budding site. Yeah, there were so many birds, about 18 of us. Then here we were at Mrima Hills to see the different bird species around here. Yeah, people were really ready to see the birds. We really enjoyed our time here. Later we had some nice banana.
Budding.
Our security were really doing their good work too. We enjoyed ourselves, all of us. This is quite a really nice safari we had. In this place, we were just sitting, waiting to see some Eastern Nikita if it could come out. We were very relaxed, enjoying just the birds. Yeah, and then here's just a team of everyone that came for the safari. And later we had really good
Ndizi.
time just eating some
Hey.
banana, greeting the
Ndizi.
locals around.
Hii
It was
utapata kwa
very
YouTube.
enjoyable. Then we left and went
Oh,
to
utapata
place called
kujua link kwa
Shimoni
YouTube.
to do more
Yes, guys, we
birding.
are at Mrima Hills.
Yeah,
And now we are leaving the forest.
really,
We are going
it was
heading back
such a
to
nice
some other
fun
wetlands.
to head together.
So I'm
So
just about to
this
show
is
you
Mirima Hills
the
inside the
whole
forest.
team
That's outside
that are
our
here in a few minutes.
forest ranger. And now this is
I know.
the whole team just coming out to the forest after the budding. We got some nice shots of European honey buzzard. We got some cypress monkeys
Hi.
around. Yeah, we also learning some butterflies. We had some
The
butterfly
brothers.
foodies. Now we even had some people who just they're interested in learning about grasses.
What is cheaper?
So we were learning about grasses. Yeah, the photographers did really nice job.
Hi guys.
Photographing all the birds that we could see. That was just really amazing. Yeah, the enthusiasm in these people was really nice. This is now me, just closing the whole thing. Then we were going to our next spot for birding that was called Shimoni. It was just so nice. Bye guys.